Hey guys, and welcome to Top Channel 1-on-1, and today I want to show you how to use the new geometry attribute node, which basically just samples any geometry you have in your geometry nodes and exposes that data to any object that needs it. For example, I'm working on a new course for science animation in Blender, and I have a cell division render here that I'm working on, but I want the camera to follow the original cell somehow. And yeah, the easiest way to do this is by using the geometry attribute node, which is this here. So let me just get the basic functionality here and go to the geometry here. So you can see I have one cell that divides and divides and divides and divides. So if I wanted to follow the original one, all I have to do is expose the parameter that I want to track. So for this, because I want to track the position, it's going to be the position attribute. And to simplify, let me just make a copy here, and you can see that's what we're going to have. I'm going to just simplify this until I have only the points, the original points. So you can see I start up with 1 point, duplicates itself into 2, and then every second it just duplicates like that. Let me first hide this because it's slowing things down a bit. If I wanted to track the position of, say, this object here, let me look at its index. The index, I'll just turn on the attributes. Yeah, let's say I want to track the position of the point 2. All I have to do is let's say let me have a cube here, go to the constraints, give it a geometry attribute constraint, and the object we want to target is the object holding our geometry nodes, which in this case is plane 002. And yeah, I want to track the position attribute. So now you can see that yeah, I think we are tracking the index at 0. Let me just make sure that I'm viewing. Yeah, you can see that this is matching the position of that. And in fact, if I change this to, let's say, 2, this should start matching the position of the point 2. You can see it's there. And if you want it to be on top of that position, you just need to make sure that you turn on offset with target. That way you can see that it's always following that exactly. Now, if you want the camera to track that, all you have to do is add a camera and give it a track to constraint, and then now you can target the object that is tracking the point. So now you can see that this is tracking. The camera is always looking at point 2. That's how you use the new geometry attribute node. And don't forget to check out my looped clothes add-on, which is a collection of animated clothes that you can use to dress up your character quite easily. See you in the next one.